Come back over this way now. Let's go over here. Let's go in the living room. Keep backing up and we'll go in the living room. Here, let Mama turn it around. Go this way. You like cleaning up? You gonna be Mama's little helper? Good job. Oh, hush, Swayze. Do it everywhere. Gotta do it everywhere. Over here. More over here. More over there. Yeah, we gotta turn it. Uh-oh. Now, turn it. The other way, over here. See all that stuff right there? Gotta get it up. It's from making tutus. Here, let Mama help you. Okay. You like cleaning? You want Mama to do the rest? Can Mama do it now? Yes? Probably not. Can Mama do it now? Yeah, let's go where your toys were. Oh, let's pick up Diesel. Come on, go over here. Oops. Good job. Oops. Getting around the corners. Go over here and get the living room. Uh-oh. Get him. You done? Good job. Bye-bye. Get you easy. Get you easy.